And here's some polished concrete. The discussion is what will make dye come out, acetone dye come out of concrete. So I've used a Poultice method in the past and was very successful at removing the dye. So I'm going to do a little demonstration of how that works, but it's going to take it's going to take 24 hours because the Poultice has to dry till it mud cracks. So I'll put this dye on here. So there's plenty of dye. And I'll apply the Poultice. Just been like 2 minutes, and you can already see it drawing the dye up out of the concrete there on the edge. Well, works like a charm. Completely took all the dye out, even on that little strip right there.